Hi, I'm Luke Magnin. I'm the co-founder and COO of Combined Ratio Solutions, and I'm here today to talk to you about Impact. Impact helps insurers extract maximum value from their agency channel. At the end of the day, there's equal parts art and science when you're creating, fostering, and then leveraging your relationship with independent agents. Impact's going to help you with that. Impact is a cloud-based SaaS platform focused on putting the right information in front of the right people at the right time. It provides a 360-degree view of an agency, focusing on their organization, their profitability, the risks they're submitting, much, much more. Impact also provides all that same insight at the person level. Are some producers at a given agency more profitable than others? Is the CSR actually the key decision maker on what gets submitted to you? Are you getting enough value from that profit sharing agreement you've got with the agency principal? At a glance, Impact shows you what you need to know in real time by integrating with the strategic systems in your IT portfolio. And what about the customers? Well, here you can see customers sent in by a given agent, but you can also get a holistic view of every existing and potential customer. You can look at high-level customer information as well as contacts you have at the customer, owner, risk manager, whoever. But the important thing is that Impact provides a hierarchy that blends customers, sales, and the risk you're being asked to cover. Under a customer, you've got many opportunities. An opportunity is just that. It's an opportunity you have to sell somebody something. Typically, this will be a single insurance product for a single policy term. Under an opportunity, then, we have all the different quotes you've created to satisfy that opportunity. And here we have the underlying data for each quote, one of which will hopefully turn into a policy. Now, nobody's going to enter data here, and to get the details on a quote or policy, you'd probably just look at the quote proposal or policy document we've got right here. But the point is that Impact leverages a proprietary format to store policy and claims data that makes it very simple to integrate with your source systems, and yet still provides Impact the underlying data it needs so that when we present you insight, it's built on what your company is actually doing. And I mentioned integration. We've taken 20 years of insurance IT experience and built an integration framework we're confident can complement any insurance organization's IT portfolio. Our collection of microservices ensures that every single thing you can do in the front end, and many things you can't, can be exposed via a web services call. Impact also makes no assumptions about being the system of record for any domain. Impact is a system of insight, first and foremost. If you already have a centralized repository or a strategic system for any type of information, Impact can leverage that as opposed to becoming the system of record itself. We are not so presumptuous to have created Impact to reinvent how you underwrite or push you to go direct to customer or do anything so disruptive. We created Impact so you can continue doing what you're doing today, but with a little more insight to help you receive more bind orders for the business you're already quoting. This was just a taste, and we'd absolutely love to show you more. But for now, I'm going to leave you with a hypothetical question. Let's say you have an agent that sends you 10 submissions a day. Further, assume you usually quote 3 of them, and then they typically request to bind just 1. Now, what if you could make small changes in how you manage that agent that would result in getting 2 bind orders instead of the 1? What would that trend do to your combined ratio? That's why we built Impact.